Son, we have done your father's treatment and it has costed 60,000 rupees. I was thinking if all three of you brothers can contribute 20,000 rupees, so I will pay hospital's bill. Why? Have you opened any charitable trust that we will pay your hospital bills? Daughter-in-law, what are you saying this? If I want to ask help from my kids, then from whom I will ask help?
Swara, let us give the money. It's just a matter of 20,000 rupees.
She needs 20,000 rupees, not 20 rupees. And I won't let you give anyone money like this, understood?
Swara, they are my parents.
Sit here quietly. Because of your parents, you will lose your wife then. We have no money with us. You can go from here. Sagar son. Okay. I have understood. It's okay. I am leaving. Daughter, Sanju is not at home. No, mother-in-law, he's at the office. If there is some urgent work, you tell me. I will just call him and ask him to come here. Daughter, Sanju's father's treatment is done. We have the bill of 60,000 rupees. So I was thinking that 20,000 I will ask from all the sons. Then my work will be done. 20,000? Mother-in-law, I have to go and see how much money I have at home. Take this, mother-in-law. They are 30,000 rupees. 30,000, but I only asked 20,000 from you, daughter. Mother-in-law, after treatment, there are lot of expenses. Medicine, food. So you keep them with you. They will be helpful to you. Okay, daughter. I have to go to Dushyant's home as well. Let Sanju come na. Meet him and then leave. No, daughter. I will get late then. Okay, mother-in-law, me and Sanju will come soon to the village to meet you and father-in-law. Okay, daughter. Yes, mother-in-law, tell me. Daughter-in-law, actually Dushyant's father's treatment has done and it costed 60,000 rupees. So I was thinking if all the sons can give me 20,000 rupees, my work will be done. Yes, mother-in-law, I will give you right now. Take this, mother-in-law. If you need some other help, you can let me know. Okay. Yes, Dushyant? Okay, you need money, but I just gave them to mother-in-law. She wanted to pay hospital's bill, na? Okay. Will I take them back? Fine. What happened, daughter? Mother-in-law, Dushyant just called me. He needs money. He has some urgent work. Actually, he saved them for emergency. So can you return them to me? Okay. Actually, I'm sorry, mother-in-law. I gave them to you, but... It's okay, daughter. I can understand. Okay, mother-in-law. I'm leaving. This is called we killed the snake and stick also never broke. Mother-in-law, you didn't went to village? No, daughter.
Mom, sit. Why don't you go to village? What happened?
Son, your both brothers didn't give me money. Dushyant's daughter-in-law gave me money, but she took money back. And Sagar's daughter-in-law, she didn't give me money.
And Sagar didn't say anything.
Sagar wanted to give me money.
Sagar wanted to give me the money.
Yes, Mom. She doesn't even let us meet us brothers.
Son, take this money back. When they both didn't give me money, so how can I take them from you?
What are you saying, Mom? How will you pay the hospital bill?
I don't know.
Mom, why are you doing this? If they didn't give the money and you are giving it back to me, instead you have to say that, dear, they didn't give me the money, but you should give me the rest of the money, and you are doing it opposite. Now you are giving this money to us.
Son, how can I put all the burden on you?
Mom, it's not a burden, it's a responsibility. If both of them are not fulfilling the responsibilities, then it's okay. I'm here. I'll take care of everything alone.
But son,
No but and all. You do one thing, we are going with you to the village and we will pay the hospital bill and also meet Dad. Riya, you bring my bag, we are leaving.